Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture that directly links to the citation for your timeline and history. Once you're in Google Drawings, go ahead up to Tools. In the pull-down menu, click Explore, and you're going to get a sidebar that pops up. Put your topic into the search box on the sidebar. And you'll see all of these images pop up. Make sure you've clicked images and not just web. Now, you want to be careful of one thing. You can't see where the pictures are coming from on the search bar. So before you insert them, you want to make sure they're not coming from either Wikipedia or Wikimedia. Go ahead and choose the picture that you want. Click on it. You can look up here in the left-hand corner. It'll tell you where it's coming from. And then go ahead, and as long as you're happy with it, hit Insert. As you can see, it'll come right onto the page. You can change how big, how small, and where it is. And when you hover your mouse over it, you'll see exactly where it came from. You can also change or remove that. But for this project, I know that Ms. Faye wants you to have it linked directly to your citation.